What's the meaning of canonization? Canonization. Canonization.
Canonization. Canonization. Canonization is the process of officially recognizing a person as a saint in the Catholic Church. It involves rigorous investigation of the person's life, miracles they performed, and their influence on the faith. Once the person is deemed worthy of this recognition, they are added to the canon of saints and are venerated by the Catholic faithful. The result is that the person is considered a role model for living a holy life and can be prayed to for intercession with God. This process has been in place for centuries and has resulted in the canonization of thousands of saints.